Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, fashion, you name it, reviews, all. So if it is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. I love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. So today's video I'm going to be trying on with you guys and giving you guys a little feedback on some products from Murad. And this product, especially this one, I've been using for like almost 6 weeks now, and it is dark spots fading or correcting serum. And I had a really bad dark spots from some pimples that I had, and this product actually been helping me to clear up that spot. So that's why I decided to come here and give you guys my 2-cent opinion on the product. And I do have a couple of other products here that I'm using too. This one been used for like 4 months, I think. This is my second jar of cream, and I really love this Detox overnight mask. And this is one eye cream that's peptide rich, that's great for fine line and wrinkle. That's I've been using too, and I'm seeing great results. So I decided to come here and just share with you guys my thoughts. Alright, so let's get into this video so don't get so long. Let's try this beauty and let's see. Okay, so the first product we're going to be talking about today from Murad is this environmental shield tapped dark spot correcting serum. This serum I've been with, my bottle is almost empty because I even been used for a little while now. I think probably like about a month since I get it. And this video is overdue, but since this product is a dark spot removing serum, and before sit here and tell you guys my thoughts on, I had to use for at least 4 weeks. You know, my window of trying testing a product and see any result is from 4 to 6 weeks. Better if you have the luxury time of 8 weeks, because you really can see some results. But so far it's been around 4 to 5 weeks since I've been using this. The bottle is almost empty, and I did have some really bad breakout here in early January. So when I got this product, it was like, you know, fall from the sky for me, because I really was looking for something for get rid of this dark spot. And so far so good. This dark spot was so big, and now it's almost all faded. You almost cannot see it, and I can see that it's actually fading. So if I would say that I recommend this for dark spot removal, yes, I would, because I am seeing results with. So yeah, it is a good product. And like I say, my bottle is almost empty, so I definitely going to be getting another bottle of this, because I have my skin, if I ever get a pimple anywhere, I started getting a dark spot. That's just the way it is. I don't know why, but so far so good. This product been helping me to get rid of the dark spots. So if you're looking for a good dark spot remover, this Murad environmental shield definitely is one of my favorite at the moment. Definitely I recommend this, and I'm seeing amazing results, so that's why I wanted to come here and share with you guys. And the other product that I am using too is, I like when I'm using skincare, if I have other products from the same line or the same brand, I like to use them together, because I don't know, I just sometimes the formula are made for use together, so they tend to work good together. This City Skin Overnight Detox Moisture Mask. This is, I think, my second moisture mask. The first one when I got to try this was months ago when I got one from Box Charm, and I like so much the results, how my skin felt the next morning after using that. I think in 3 weeks my container was hitting pan, so I went and buy a new one. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot. If I go and purchase a second bottle of anything, is because I really like. And the one thing that I like too is how the sanitized container is. You know, you're not dipping your hands into the container, so there is no contamination. But I do like how beautiful and soft and glowy my skin feels next morning after using this mask. So I do use, first I put my dark spot removing serum, then in the top I put this mask, overnight mask. And next morning my skin is looking brighter, glowing and hydrated. So these two products, definitely some of them that I'm using now. You know, I use like probably 2, 3, sometimes 4 different skincare products, and I just rotate them a days a week. Sometimes depends on what my skin need is. You know, sometimes dry, sometimes I have dark spots, sometimes a little oily. So depends on my needs. I rotate my product and I see which one better fits me. This one is definitely one of my going to that I've been reaching a lot now. So, and with this duo, and with that duo I am using this I only got this for 2 weeks maximum. I think I have this in hand. This is the Resorcinol Target Wrinkle Corrector from Murad. I am in PM, apply thin line direct to the wrinkle and gently massage the applicator tip. Okay, dab excess into the skin, finger, let it dry before applying moisturizer or SPF. Yeah, so this is supposed to be rich in peptide. To do is you just apply a little bit of your eye area, and it's supposed to be good for fine line. I love the little cool applicator that comes here. It just cool on the touch and just make your eye feel like a little bit puffed. And if you have like a dark on the eye circle, it also helps to minimize that. And this cream actually dries fast, so it's not one of the products that take a lot to dry, absorb fast into this. So when I have time, I like to do this for like I would say a minute or 30 seconds each side. And you can go on the upper eye area too. So now let me just apply the rest of the product into the skin, and just like that. So eye treat, dark spot on the chest. So Murad is actually a really good brand. They have fantastic products. But yeah, this is the eye cream. Yeah, so I am loving this eye cream. Alright, so that's all for this little video review for you guys on these Murad products. If you guys have any questions, drop in the comment below and I will answer as I can when I see it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.